What's good with it, man? It's Saturday. We finna go to the boy Ace. Little scrimmage, man. We gonna see if he can drop 50 on these folk, man. But this is the beginning of the day. So you know, yesterday was a work day. Let me show y'all what went on. Finished some shoes, started on others. Yeah, that's what we almost done with right there. Yeah. So man, it's just another great day to accomplish goals and dreams, man. So y'all stay tuned for what we finna get into today.
What are y'all doing? Well, maybe could y'all have called the ambulance to pick her up?
You know, yay!
Alright, give me a hug.
Look at that old shot.
Alright,
no. Young at it, man. Oh, dang, I missed that foolishness. Oh, hold on. Am I focused? I'm dark and I'm motor. Hold on, where the light at? Where the light? Okay, yeah, there we go. It's decent or whatever. Man, what's happening, man? Another day, another opportunity to be great and to accomplish our goals and dreams. But we finna go on ahead to the mall. We gotta pick up some stuff. We gotta go to Hobby Lobby, pick up some stuff. It's just another work day. You know how it go, man. I got to get my mask out my car and all that good stuff, man. But y'all just follow along, man. Ooh, dark and I'm old, scooter. Y'all just follow me, man, and we gonna get you this chicken. Some shoes from dang, what else was it, bro? Man, on the finish line. That's all I can remember. Because I thought at first you were saying you had like 3 orders of hoodies.
Yeah. And then the lady wants to know about the size, but what she's saying doesn't make sense. Because I'm
talking about the extra small thing.
Yeah.
What they got that neon? Oh. They got that neon in that guy. Now we at your end right now. I'm gonna get some. Focus up.
I thought you said you've been looking for this.
Yeah, I want to do the socks.
So you want something?
Nah, cause I had been looking for it, but I had found it in another form, and I did what I wanted to do with it, but it didn't work. As y'all will see in the upcoming video, it's a failed shoestring dyeing video. You know what happens, man. Happens to the best of us, but dog got the supplies on deck. Dog, let me roll up a little. There we go. Got the supplies on deck. We finna be doing some socks, some new colorways of the socks. Squid Game shirt orders. Just work, man. It's actually kind of hard, I ain't gonna lie.
That's a fact.
Alright, man, we got a little challenge or whatever. Hey, talk to him real quick, man. What's the challenge?
Man, we typically do tie-dyeing and stuff ourselves, but, you know, it's a process. You know what I'm saying? It's a process. We enjoy the process, but we spent about like 70, 80 on some shirts. And gonna try to flip it to a good 250.
Yeah. Nah, 3.
3?
We're going 3.
Good 3. So we'll see if we can do it. Keep y'all updated, man. Half the work has already been done for us. Now we just gotta find the right designs to put on there, and we'll see how it goes. Matter of fact, there's another J store. They ain't never open one.
What you like? Cause I mean, what you like, maybe a lot different. Dang, this junk is. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let me show y'all. It got a little. Yeah, there we go. To it.
She didn't say, bro. She just said, I'm pretty sure she gonna get cool with whatever. Cause they, to be honest, they just gonna wear them for this one day.
Facts. So I mean, shoot, you might as well go with the cheapest option, really.
They're the same price.
Ah well. Hey.
No, they $4 different.
Well,
Do you want to stop by the other stores and see?
I mean, if you want to, that's cool.
But they did. It's the half off.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's why I'm trying to get the best deal possible. You know.
Because to be honest, all we have to do, unlace the shoestrings, just pretty much put some vinyl over it with the tongue looker, spray over it, splatter over it, call it a day, and then call it tape the.
Yeah, I honestly. We're good with it, y'all, man. Another day, another opportunity. You know, yeah. I don't really know what's going on. What should I do? I'm just today we got basketball to film. More than likely when we get back, everyday Negro stuff. We might hit a Ross and do like a Ross flip. You know what I'm saying? Kind of deal for it's just like focusing up. Hold on. A little Ross flipping deal with just find a pair of shoes, paint them up, see how they turn out and all that kind of stuff. So y'all just stay tuned for that, man, and let it get it going. What up, y'all? So we finna head out. Got the goods with me. You know, I gotta knock out a pair. I got an order for one of my my little neon Air Force One, the cartoon joints. I got an order for them, so gotta knock those out. Finna load up in the whip. Slight drip check. Hold on, we got. It's a very, very, very light day, so we got. You know what I'm saying? This has become my favorite hat. Squad on the check. You know what I'm saying? Ball all day. Caught that. Look, American Eagle jeans and them 13, the weak guy. You see? Oh. Well, yeah, man, let's go on and get it. We're good with it. Today, man, in this day, vlog, whatever part of the vlog, I don't even know. You know, I'm new to this vlog and stuff, so it's kind of rough right now. But today, I got a few things to do. I gotta get an order done, completed for some shoes. I gotta ship some shoes, and then I have to complete a birthday outfit set type of deal for one of my close friends. So finna get into that right now. Turn it guy on. Yes, sir. See. Yeah, gonna let that warm up and then press the stuff on. Alright, this is what we going with, y'all. I gotta cut out all of these question marks because I want to place them in different ways and everything. But you see what we got going, man. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. I know it might be a little bit difficult to see because it's black, but when you're pressing clothing, you want to always do a little quick press first to get all the heat, not the heat, get any kind of moisture or anything out of the garment first, so the vinyl can adhere to it the proper way. Just a little some that good stuff there. Now that we got that out of the way, we're about to go ahead and place this on there the way we want. Make sure it's, you know, all perfect and aligned, and then we're gonna press that. Okay, I got it how I want it. Now I'm about to go ahead and clamp that guy down. Oh, snap. Hey! I'm gonna come back when I got it done, y'all. Okay, this is a hot peel, so we gonna. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that's it. God, leave my hair look a mess. Ooh, that's how you know right there, y'all. It's work. And it's only work. Come on, focus up, bro. You being stupid. Man. Thank you. Alright, now we got that taken care of. It's on to the next part where I gotta cut out all of these question marks, and I'm probably gonna have to print some more stuff. Not print, I gotta cut some more vinyl, so y'all just stay tuned for that one. I'm about to bring it to you. If y'all be wondering what I watch sometimes while I think I said it before, while I work and stuff, I like to watch Custom. This is my dog right here, man. Actually, subscriber turned friend. This is my boy Roy Elliott, man. I told y'all I support y'all, man. Just like I watch my boy King Caesar stuff, I watch all y'all stuff, man. So if you got a YouTube channel, definitely hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Tell me about it. Leave a link in the comments or whatever, and I'm gonna check you out, man. I'm gonna watch your stuff. But this is my dog. He is cold. Hold on, let me. I don't know if y'all can see that. Ooh, y'all can't see it. Well, when I finish, cause I gotta press this stuff real quick. But when I finish pressing this stuff, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. My dog is wild, so y'all definitely go check my guy out. It's Roy Elliott. His channel is, I'll leave it in the description, but it's Roy Elliott Art and Customs. So y'all definitely check my dog out. He is cold with it. Don't play with him. He is not one of them. You feel me? But we finna go press this stuff on. Let's go. Okay, we got the question marks placed on there. I believe, I hope I'm not messing up, but I believe this is the puff vinyl right here that I'm gonna be using. Like that vinyl is flat and this one gonna be the puff. You know, just giving different pops or whatever. I actually changed my mind on this. I was gonna go with like a colorful thing, you know what I'm saying? But I know how she is, and I know I want her to be able to wear this set, you know, with different outfits and stuff like that, not just all together. So I'm gonna go with her favorite thing in the world, which is black and white. So let's get it, man. I'm finna press this. Woo. All right, right now I'm cutting the vinyl. I'm cutting the vinyl for the remainder of the outfit. We got these overalls and a jean jacket. So right now I can show y'all how the vinyl is cutting. This is a Silhouette Cameo 4, if y'all were wondering. So man, after that's finished cutting, I'm gonna weed everything out and then cut everything out and get back to the warehouse so we can work on the placement. Actually, that's wrong. I gotta go print some, not print. I gotta go print some stuff right now. So let's go do that. Okay, we got everything cut out, everything weeded and all that kind of stuff. So we're about to go ahead and go back out here and press it on. All right, we got everything placed on there the way that we want it. Now it's time to do it again. Press that guy. Okay, here's the finished product of the jacket. Her favorite brand is Guess, but I'm the favorite designer. You know, yeah. Got the little question marks on there too. On the sleeve as well. And all that good stuff. But then we got the overalls. Went with the 3D vinyl on the front. Then we went with the on the pants, bottom towards the leg with the shoe. Yeah, man, I'm digging these. What up, y'all? Back at it. Right now we about to head to the game. Got to shoot a game. My boy Ace, first game of the season, senior season. So I know he gonna turn up and all that. Come on, camera. Stop being stupid. Yeah, I know he gonna turn up. Drop that 50 ball on these folks. So right now I'm making me a little something to wear to the game. You know, ball all day. You know how it's happening. Y'all know what it is, man. So yeah, I'm finna go knock this out real quick and then jump out on y'all folk. You hear me? that jump before, man. Looking like a rook, bro. Alright, right now, y'all, it is 2:54 a.m. We probably about to wrap it up, man. These are the shoes that are just about done. All I gotta do is add the finish on to this one. Wake up in the morning. Gotta go ahead and get this taken care of. Do all the detail work on this. All that good stuff, man. And we gotta ship some junks out and everything. Get these listed. Because the sale, like I've been telling you, we dropping a whole bunch of shoes. Black Friday, we having a sale. Everything. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can do everything 20% off. But if not everything, most of it, I say at least the clothes. The shoes might be like 15% off. I'm gonna see. Certain shoes may be 20% off. Certain shoes may be more than 20% off. I don't know. It just depends on how I feel and how much we can fit that in the budget. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned for the next vlog, man. It's been your boy, the cadet. I'm gonna catch you in the next one, man. Tighter than a motor scooter.